Welcome back. You're watching round one in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021, where the scores are now Hayes Primary on 8 points and Excelsior Primary on 6. Hayes actually gained a point for the answer wider given in the science face-off. Now, let's go to the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first to press the buzzer earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but lose 2 if the answer is incorrect or incomplete. The team pressing the buzzer first has 5 seconds in which to answer. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's see that time on the Guardian Achiever clock and begin section 3. We begin with local affairs. Teams, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Do you know who that is?
Hayes.
Pernell Charles Jr.
That is correct. Cabinet Minister. Sports. In which specific event in track and field did Kimberly Williams represent Jamaica at the 2021 Olympics in Tokyo?
I don't know that.
Triple jump. Bible knowledge. Whose wife advised him to curse God and die? Hayes.
Job.
That is correct. Science. The cerebellum is a key component of which human organ? Excelsior.
Brain.
That's right. English language. By using the appropriate pronouns, make this sentence simpler. Mr. Jones was late for work because Mr. Jones missed Mr. Jones's bus. It should be Mr. Jones was late for work because he missed his bus. Music. The American singer Diana Ross was once the lead singer with which group before embarking on a solo career?
I don't know that.
The Supremes. General knowledge. What's the name of the current Pope of the Roman Catholic Church?
Brent, do you know that? I knew the better.
It's Pope Francis or Jorge Mario Bergoglio. Television, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this actress. Excelsior.
Sophia Carson.
Sophia Carson.
That is correct. Mathematics. A boy had 111 marbles and he gave a third of them to his friend. How many marbles did he have left? It's 74. Social studies. Trinidad and Tobago achieved its status as a republic on what date? August 1st, 1976. Television. What's the name of the spirited princess of Agrabah in the Disney animated movie Aladdin?
I don't know that.
Excelsior.
Jasmine.
That is correct. Sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Jamaican footballer, Junior Flemings. Bible knowledge, what was the meaning of Isaac's name? Excelsior.
Laughter.
That is correct. Science. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants and some other organisms use sunlight to make foods from which 2 materials? Hayes.
Carbon dioxide and water.
That is correct. English language. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of normal. Excelsior.
Unnormal.
That's incorrect. It's abnormal. Music. Jeffrey Campbell is the birth name of a Jamaican singer. What's his stage name? Agent Sasko or Assassin. General knowledge, what's the process by which milk is treated with mild heat to remove pathogens and lengthen shelf life? Hayes.
Pasteurization.
Is correct. Local affairs. Who is the Member of Parliament for Central Kingston in Jamaica?
When you've already about the laws.
Donovan Williams. Mathematics. What is 756 milligrams as a decimal of 1 gram? Hayes.
7.5 grams.
That's incorrect. It's 0.756. And that bell signifies the end of the match. The final scores are Hayes Primary on 14 points and Excelsior Primary on 12. We'll double check these final scores and return with your results after these messages.